How you doing? I just wanted to know. It's your girl, Janelle, and today's video is showing you what Hurricane Nicole looks like in Florida, where I am. It is raining, as you can tell, and we shoved some stuff into our outside kitchen to make sure it doesn't blow away and that everything is safe. Table, umbrella that is underneath it, and everything else. As you can see, it is very empty because we shoved everything else inside. So let's go inside.
There's more opportunities on the coast to make money. There's more connections. You have magazines. You have
Our
endorsements.
bed or seating
Very
area
few people make
from
that jump.
outside.
It's an elite jump to make from amateur to the pros.
Drums.
Ray left the Marine Corps in 1991.
Everything else is basically here. Couch from outside. Sitting area, whatever you want to call it. Little stand. Chairs. Chairs. More couches. Pool, floaties, beach ball, squirter. More chairs. More chairs for our kitchen. This is another chair that you can just hop in and relax. It swings. It was the, I don't know how to explain it, but it's belongs on a stick, you know? It's like a hammock, yeah. And just more couches and chairs from outside. I was gonna say inside, from the patio. We brought that in. So yeah, this is everything for Nicole to come.